Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of Crypto Secrets. In this episode we are going to reveal our last website that we are going to use to earn free crypto for ourselves. This is a very important website because this is our own website that we will be helping you to earn free crypto. So this is a very reputed and legit website because it is our website, right? So without any further ado, let's see what we have got for you so you can earn free crypto. So the last website that we are going to use is Write and Earn. So you might have guessed already. In this niche we are going to write about crypto and we are going to earn crypto. So how this works and what website we are going to use. So let's see all of these questions in this video. Since we have already told you that this is our own website that we are going to help you to earn free crypto, so let's step right into our website and see how we can do so. So here it is. It is our website and you can see you can earn crypto by writing about crypto, by writing articles about crypto, right? So you might scroll a little and you can see that how this works. Actually we have a small video for you on how to get started. So please first watch that video and then we will see more features.
Do you know that you can earn crypto for free by just writing about it? Go to this website. Click on Earn with Us, then write and earn. Click on Start Earning Now. There are already many articles published by different authors. To add your article, go to your member dashboard and then click on Add Article. Here you can write an article about crypto by yourself and submit it for review. You can also earn an extra income in crypto by referring your friends and other people. Here you can find your referral link, and you will 20% of your referral's income for life. That's great. Once your article is reviewed and published on website, you will earn $5 to $15 for every 1,000 views you get on your article. And that's how you make a passive income for yourself. Get started now.
So now you have seen that how you can earn free crypto. Now we will tell you that you can earn $5 to $15 for every 1,000 views that you get on your article, right? So it is a kind of a platform just like YouTube. In YouTube you can earn money by the number of views that you get on your video. So it is a similar kind of platform where you can earn more than YouTube for every 1,000 views that you get on our article. So it is not video, it is article, it is a kind of monetizing articles and earning crypto for that. Articles that are already published, and you can also browse through different articles. You will get to learn a lot of new things about crypto. You will stay tuned about the crypto news and a lot of other things that you should know about crypto, what is happening in the world. So there are a lot of authors that we have that are already publishing different kind of articles on this website. So make sure that you come visit our website and read few interesting articles and you will get to learn a lot. So basically how does this work? Why are we paying you crypto? How does this entire thing work? So basically, as according to the number of views that you get on your article, you are marketing our platform. So you are driving more traffic towards our website. Since you are helping us driving more traffic on our website, so we are giving you some kind of rewards. Also, we should also generate some revenue. For that, we are displaying some Google ads on the articles that you publish. So when the visitor comes to your article and they see the Google ad, we generate some revenue out of it and we share a part of that revenue, or we share the complete revenue, or plus we also sometimes share from our pocket with you, because you are helping us to grow, and growing is the key for any online business to generate more income. So in this way we are all helping each other, and this is our strategy that we use for marketing, and it is one of the finest strategies that we came across, and it is also helping you people, it is also helping us. So it is a win-win situation for all. So I hope that you have understood that how this whole thing works. So if you are still wondering and considering about writing about crypto and earn crypto, I would recommend you to start publishing some articles on our website and get some views and earn crypto for absolutely free.